It is a question people have been asking for many years now. Can Six Flags Great America build something else on the plot of land where the American Eagle sits right now? Well, guess what? I have an official answer from the park. Let's discuss. All right, so if you have no idea what I'm talking about, American Eagle is a roller coaster at Six Flags Great America, the theme park in Gurnee, Illinois, just outside of Chicago. And when you pull up on 94, the expressway that is right next to Great America, the Eagle is like the beacon. The helix of the Eagle is this large wooden structure that sits right there on the highway. And I'll tell you, like as a kid going to Great America, that was the thing. When you came around the corner and you saw the Eagle there, it was amazing. And also during Fright Fest time, back in the day, they used to put big spiders on the side of that. It's just been this iconic thing at Great America since the ride opened way back in 1981. It was designed by Intamin, built by the Philadelphia Toboggan Company, and it's been this kind of signature wooden roller coaster at the park ever since. Now, when I grew up going to Great America, there were always long lines for the Eagle. There was this like big top structure with the canvas there where the queue would go through and people were waiting forever to get on it. These days, not so much. When you go out to Great America, you can often walk right up to the ride. It doesn't race like it used to. It's a double track coaster where the two sides used to race. If you really remember, they would do every once in a while, they'd have one going forward and one going backward. So you could be going backward and somebody else could be going forward right next to you. It was a really cool experience. When the ride was racing, it was fun, but it hasn't raced in a long time. They did have both sides running this summer, I saw, but they're running kind of one at a time. So it's operating nowhere near it did in its glory days, the Eagle, and people aren't going on it like they used to back in the day, which has led to a lot of discussion over the years. It takes up a big chunk of land in a park that's kind of landlocked. So the question is, should they do something else with that plot of land? Has the Eagle seen its best days or not? That's a topic for another video. But what I really wanted to get to here is because whenever this conversation comes up, I always see comments from people, and I've heard this over the years, that Great America can't build anything there because, and I've heard tons of reasons, but the biggest one that I've always heard is that there's some kind of zoning ordinance now where the ride's too close to the expressway and it's grandfathered in, but they couldn't build it there now if they wanted to. It's too close, and there's some new law, there's some ordinance or something like that. I've heard recently that there's a wetland issue. People have been leaving comments on social media saying like, oh, there's a wetland thing that is running under the ride, and the ride's grandfathered into that too. I mean, I've heard it all. When it comes to Eagle, people are always saying they can't touch it, they can't do anything with it because of whatever reason that you want to give. So I decided to reach out to the parks, and this is what I asked them. I said, hey, look, I'm not asking what your plans are for American Eagle. I'm not asking what your thoughts are about American Eagle. I'm just curious. If you wanted to, if you had to take the ride down for some reason, would you be allowed to build something in the plot of land where it is right now? Are there restrictions? Are there things holding you back from doing that? And guess what? They checked it out, and they got back to me, and they said, yes, they can build on that plot of land. There is nothing that is prohibiting them from doing that. If they wanted to completely build something else there and take the American Eagle down, that would be in their right to do so. There is no thing telling them they can't do it. Now, I want to be very clear here. This is not me telling you that they have plans to do that. This is not me telling you that they're thinking about doing that, that they're scheming something up. That is not the case of what we're saying here. I just wanted to get an answer to this long discussed debate about this ride. So the answer is this. Yes, if they wanted to, it is in their right to build something there. So please bookmark this video, save this link. Every time you see something happen in an online discussion somewhere or with your friends, just send them this link and tell them that the park says yes, they could if they wanted to. If they wanted to. Now, there's one other thing that has come up. This is very recent because this past summer, the American Coaster Enthusiasts held their Coaster Con. Every year, they're in a different city where hundreds of coaster enthusiasts come together and they visit different theme parks and they do different events and all this stuff. It's a really cool event, actually. I went to a couple days this year, and it was neat to see everyone out there doing what they were doing. And I was also the keynote speaker at their banquet this year, which was pretty awesome. Well, what they did this year was they awarded the ACE, American Coaster Enthusiast, landmark status to the American Eagle. I was in attendance when they did this. So if you go on the American Eagle now, you will see this plaque that is outside that designates it an official ACE coaster landmark, talks about the history of the ride, why it's significant. And this is a really cool thing. It's a neat thing for rides to get this status, because people walk on and they can see like, oh, this is a historic ride in some sense of why I'm riding it, and people are very passionate about it. Now, the thing I've heard since this plaque was posted and the landmark status was granted, now people are saying, oh, they can't touch American Eagle anymore because it's got landmark status, got ACE landmark status. And listen, I mean this with all due respect, because I do love ACE. I'm a member of ACE. I spoke at the CoasterCon. There is nothing binding about that landmark status from ACE, meaning it doesn't really matter in the sense of if the park wanted to take down a ride or alter the ride. The landmark status does nothing to stop them from doing it, okay? And that's not to knock the landmark status. That's not to say that it's a joke or anything else. I think there is value in the landmark status because it's a consistent reminder to the park that, hey, there's a large group of people, thousands of enthusiasts who really feel passionate about this ride. So before you think about changing it, just know that there are people who really love this thing. Now, I don't know that will ever stop a park from really altering the ride one way or another, but it certainly does not prevent them from doing anything. So that landmark status is really just sort of decorative. It's more just a symbolic thing, but it is telling, though, that Great America accepted that and said, yeah, we would love for that to be outside Eagle. So in a way, the park was telling you that they value the ride too. They don't think of it as just an old piece of junk that they're waiting just to get rid of any day. They're still doing maintenance work on it. They've been doing track work on it. It was cool to see both sides going in the same season. So they're doing the work, and clearly they light it up even in the off season. They care about the ride. People that I talk to really do like the ride. So it's not like they just want to get rid of it. And that's not why I'm saying this, but if they wanted to, they could. So yeah, there's a lot more to say about that. And I guess my question is, for you now, knowing all of this, what do you want to see happen with the American Eagle? Like, what is your hope for the future of the ride? Would you like to see Great America invest money and get it back racing again and really restore it to its former glory, retrack it, maybe get some extensive train work done or something, just to really take Eagle back to what it was, so they could do one side backwards again or forwards again, whatever it would take to do that and run it like it used to? Would you like to see that? Would you like to see the ride potentially get RMC'd, remodeled into something else from Rocky Mountain Construction? They did that with Twisted Colossus over at Magic Mountain in California, and they could definitely do that here. Or would you be in favor of just getting rid of Eagle and putting something else there, like a real big Giga coaster or something else in that spot? What do y'all think? I know people are very passionate about this topic, very passionate about the Eagle, but I just wanted to get this out there just to say that if Great America wanted to do something, there's nothing preventing them from actually doing it. So we'll see what the future holds. Curious to hear your thoughts. Appreciate y'all. See you next time. Peace out.